Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. It's 2026, and this debate is far from settled. Both have gotten massive updates in the last 2 years, and the gap between them has shifted in surprising ways. In this video, I'll compare them across 7 categories that actually matter for real work. Whether you're choosing for yourself or recommending for your team, you'll know exactly which one wins by the end. Google Sheets wins collaboration hands down. Multiple people can edit the same spreadsheet simultaneously with zero lag, see each other's cursors in real time, and leave comments on specific cells. Excel has improved its co-authoring, but it's still clunkier. There's a noticeable sync delay, and features like pivot tables and charts can conflict when 2 people edit at the same time. For team-based work, Sheets is just smoother. Google Sheets offers roughly 3 times more real-time collaboration features than Excel Online. Built-in chat, granular sharing permissions, version history with named versions, and seamless commenting make it the clear winner for teams. Excel's desktop app is powerful for solo work, but the moment you need 3 people editing the same file, Google Sheets provides a noticeably better experience. Excel dominates raw power. Desktop Excel handles millions of rows, complex calculations, and heavy macros without breaking a sweat. Google Sheets slows down noticeably after about 50,000 rows and has a hard limit of 10 million cells per spreadsheet. If you work with large data sets, financial models, or computationally heavy formulas, Excel is the only serious option. Let me show you the performance difference. I have a spreadsheet with 100,000 rows and 20 columns. In Google Sheets, scrolling is laggy, and recalculating all formulas takes about 8 seconds. Opening the same file in Excel Desktop, scrolling is instant, and recalculation takes under 1 second. For big data work, this performance gap makes Excel the only viable choice. Excel has more functions overall, over 500 compared to about 400 in Google Sheets. But Sheets has some unique functions that Excel doesn't, like Google Finance for livestock prices, Import Train for pulling data between spreadsheets, and Importhmal for scraping web tables. In 2026, Sheets also has better AI integration with built-in smart fill and formula suggestions that are genuinely useful. Excel has VBA and Power Query. Google Sheets has AppScript and built-in connections to other Google services. VBA is more powerful for desktop automation, but AppScript is more modern, runs in the cloud, and can trigger on events like form submissions or time schedules. For most automation tasks in 2026, AppScript is easier to learn and more practical. But for complex ETL workflows, Power Query in Excel is unmatched. Google Sheets is free for personal use and included with Google Workspace for businesses. Excel requires a Microsoft 365 subscription at $10 to $12 per user per month, or a one-time purchase of a standalone version. If budget matters, Sheets is the obvious winner. But if you already pay for Microsoft 365, you're getting Excel plus Word, PowerPoint, Teams, and OneDrive. The bundle value is hard to beat. Here's my honest recommendation for 2026. Use Google Sheets when collaboration is your priority, your data fits under 50,000 rows, and you want zero software to install. Use Excel when you need raw computing power, advanced features like Power Query and Power Pivot, where you're building financial models. The best answer? Learn both. They're complementary, not competing, and knowing both makes you more versatile. That's the full Google Sheets versus Excel comparison for 2026. I use both daily, and I'll be covering advanced techniques for each one in upcoming videos. Subscribe so you don't miss them, and drop a comment telling me which one you prefer. See you next time.